welcome back to another video. I still have the echo. Okay, that's good. I forgot my whammy bar. But yeah, today I'm going to show you how to do one of my whammy bar tricks today. You're going to need a whammy bar, obviously. Okay. So if you wanted to sound like a motorcycle-ish thing, you could do a dirt bike noise. So you need the third string, which is the... Okay. Hold the whammy bar down. Okay. It doesn't do it for long now. You obviously can hear that. If you want to do a Harley Davidson bike, if you guys want to do a Harley Davidson bike, then hold the whammy bar down. Okay, whammy bar down. Pretty cool, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Now, if you want like a futuristic bike noise, then again, hold the whammy bar down. Last string. See, that's pretty cool. There. There you go, guys. You're welcome. Anyway, see you guys in the next video, and bye!